Hello, hello, hello. So we have some questions from 11.1. Now, the biggest thing with 11.1 that you have to remember is, does order matter? Does it not matter? Or is it the counting principle? How do you know if it's the counting principle? Well, the counting principle is talking about multiple different things. So, like, someone asked for question number 5. In Frickmanville, license plate is made up of 4 digits and 2 letters. Right away, we're talking about multiple different things. That means you're going to be multiplying something together. So in this case, come on, I have 4 digits. So if you were to count how many digits, there's 10. So 4 digits and 2 letters. And if you were to multiply that all together, you get 6,760,000 different ways that you could have a possible license plate in Frickmanville. Next question we have here is question number 8. Let's see if I can show you on my calculator how to do question number 8. So this is going to be kind of hard to see because I don't have the best lighting here, sorry. But to get to the exclamation point that we have is we first have to go to math. And then, here we go. You want an arrow over to probability, and then you have this exclamation point. Now, I didn't actually type in a number yet. I did answer. So I'm going to actually arrow over because it's 9, exclamation point, divided by, and then since I'm not using the fraction key, I'm making sure that this is in parentheses. So I'm going to go again, type it 2, go to math, prob, type in 4, times 6, math, prob. You can either arrow down or push enter. So it'll be 252 for question. Next question that was asked was 12. Okay, so it's saying 30 people are applying for a job. Openings as welders. How many different groups can be hired? Now you have to think, does order matter? Well, no, it doesn't matter the order that you hired the people. They're all going to show up on the first day of work. It doesn't matter the order that you called. So that's going to be combination. Okay, combination. There's 30 total people, and you're choosing 10 of them. So again, this is where, you push math, you go to your prob, and you're going to 3, and you type in, the larger number should always be first. So there's a lot of different ways you could choose this. And my answer would be 30,045,015. And the next question was 13 that was asked. You draw names, 5 raffle winners from a basket of 50 names. Each person wins the same prize. Does order matter? No, it's the same exact prize. So it's combination. You have 50 people in that bucket. That's a 5. And you're picking 5 people. So how many different ways can you pick 5 people from 50? Well, let me tell you. It would be 2, 1, 1, 8, 7, 6, 0. So 2,118,760. Next question I got asked was 17. The math department is hosting a raffle. 40 people enter to win one of the 3 coveted golden calculators. How many groups of winners can there be? Again, order does not matter because everyone's getting the same thing. So it's going to be combination. Order doesn't matter. Combination. So you have a total of 40 people. I wonder how you got to be one of the lucky 40 to even enter to win. So there's 9,880 ways that you could do this. The next question I got asked was question number 21. You're on your way to Hawaii. Oh man, I wish I was going to Hawaii. And there's 15 possible books. Your parents say you can only take 10. What mean parents? How many different ways can you take 10 books? Well, again, does order matter or not? Well, no, it does not matter the order that you line up these 10 books in your backpack. They're taking the same 10 books to Hawaii no matter what. So it's combination. You have a total of 15 books, and you only get to take 10. Hey, that sounds like a great reader to me. How many ways can you do this? 3,003 ways. And last but not least, 22 was also asked. Suppose you are asked to list in order preference the 3 best movies. Order matters here. Order preference. It's like a first, second, third type of a thing. Movies that you've seen this year. You saw 10 movies. Order matters. Permutation, you're picking 3 of them by ranking them. So again, this is where you have to go to math. Probability, this time you want permutation. So there's 720 ways that you could do that. And there you go. There you have it, 11.2. Have a grand day.